let me teach you another way to form this double sew using Maco6 and your light material, okay, with your wedge. Please, before then, subscribe to my channel while I teach you how to do these things for free. Now, this is the aim of this channel, for me to be able to teach you how to make these things by yourself. Okay, so first get your sew pattern. Now, if you don't know how to get your sew pattern, just tell me I don't know how to do it in the comment section. I'll create a video for that. Okay, I'll show you how to get your sew pattern. What I mean is the paper pattern that bring out the shape of this particular shoe on the Maco you're seeing. So first you trace your sew pattern on the Maco, then rub your gum, then from there you scrape your gauge or your welt. Okay, now you scrape your welt using your hand scraper and rub your gum. Also allow for drying, then you place your welts on the tracing. Okay, now you must learn how to go carefully. Now if you're placing, please don't place it on top of your tracing line, place it outside your tracing line, so that when you want to place a shoe, everything will fit in good. All right, so there won't be, you know, overlapping, or maybe there won't be open space around. Okay, so remember, we are going to fold or wrap this particular welds and the faceless. Okay, so after you cut out, go for filing. You first file it. Now, depending on how high you want your this thing, your second layer of the sew to be, now you can add another, you can add an in step. Okay, or is it an into in heel? Sorry guys, you can add your in heel. If you want your heel or your, you know, sew to be more high than this, you can add the faceless to create an in heel. Okay, but if you don't want it, you can leave it this way. So after that, you take the measurement of where, or the length of the material that can wrap it up. Okay, so this is me trying to get the measurement and the length. Okay, so after getting that, I try to get the wideness, all right, something that will be able to wrap everything. Okay, so I'm wrapping around, so I'm trying to get the measurement using my ruler. I'm using 3 centimeter here, you can see that. So 3 centimeter will be able to wrap up welt, and combination of welt and 6 mm foreign faceless. Okay, so that is what I'm doing. So I'll try to draw my straight line so that I can rub my gum and cut. Okay, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, ask your questions if you have any questions at heart. Okay, so I'm still trying to get my, you know, wrapping material cuts. So I just traced 3 centimeter from my meter rule. So now I'm trying to, you know, rub my gum on the material. Okay, so I'm trying to rub my gum evenly. So please, if you're rubbing your gum, be careful so that you don't stain your work. Okay, finishing is very important in shoemaking. So you might have a quality work, but your finishing is rough, people will not regard your work. You might have substandard materials, but your finishing is nice, people will still consider it. So you better have that at the back of your mind. These are things that your bosses will not teach you, but I'm teaching you for free. So give me a like, subscribe to my channel while I teach you how to make shoes. Okay, so I'm trying to wrap now. I'm rubbing my gum round my, you know, my in sole. This is another in sole. So remember, the shoe is having 2 soles. Okay, the one you create with your faceless and your welt wrapped with a light material, then the second is the major sole, which is the pattern sole. Okay, so I'm trying to cut. This is me cutting along my tracing line. So remember, the wideness of this is 3 centimeter. This is not standard, of course. This is not standard. This is something you can just form. Just depending on what you're doing, or depending on the thickness of what you're doing, it can be lesser than this, and it can be more than this. Okay, so let's continue. So I just wrap around, so I'm cutting now. Okay, remember, you start wrapping from the inside. If you don't understand, just say how in the comment section. I'll explain what I mean from the inside. Okay, so you wrap around. This is me trying to wrap, still wrapping carefully. You follow the curve carefully. Okay, You can use your hands, you can use your lasting plier to get this thing wrapped up clean. All right, no rumbles, you understand me. So let's continue. I'm still wrapping. So if you find this video interesting, please copy the link of this video and share on all your social media platforms. Also follow us on TikTok at ABC Shoes. We are on TikTok, so follow us for more of our short videos on TikTok. And on Facebook also, you can search us out. We are JTP Cows on Facebook, JTP Cows, okay, on Facebook. So I try to scrape the under. Why am I scraping the under? So if you want to know, just tell me why. I'll tell you in the comment section. So after scraping the under, so I try to cut out the excesses that overlap on the floor of the the faceless, so that I'll take it off, because I cannot be able to file or scrape it there. So I just take it off, cut it out, and take it out. So after that, you now have to get your ranking. So that is your major. So scrape it, then add gum, and also add gum on your gauge or your welt. So allow it for drying. Now remember, I'm adding gum on all over the surface. Yes, this is not partly rubbed, you are rubbing all over the surface. So why do I rub gum all over the surface instead of rubbing partly? So this is why. Watch by yourself. Now if you watch this and you don't understand still, just tell me, why do you rub gum all over, and I'll explain to you. Okay, like this video, subscribe to this channel, and of course copy the link of this channel and share on all of your social media platforms. If you remember, this is a different method altogether of how to get a double layer sewed. Okay, so enjoy this video. This video is majorly meant for you guys to enjoy. So tell me what you feel about this video. Tell me what you think about how I explained this video. Do you like this explanation, or I should be more plain, or I should be more slow? I don't know. So how do you create this in your own locality? So this is ABC Shoes, the only channel where we teach everything that concerns shoemaking without hiding it from our students. All right, take care of yourself. Thank you for watching. After you cut, go and file, and your sew is ready. Now you get to see what we have of this video. Watch carefully and see what we did. All right, so don't forget, I love you. Most importantly, Jesus loves you. I won't tell you the truth. I will tell you the truth. Jesus loves you. Yeah.